welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to find your block list. Remember, sometimes you have blocked somebody and you just remember it, you don't need to block them, and you want to find your block list. Let's do that. Let's go to our TikTok app first. Let's open it. And now to find your block list, tap on the profile button on the bottom right corner of your phone, and you can see the three line icon on the top right corner. Just tap there and tap on the settings and privacy option over here. After that, you can see the privacy option just below the manage account option, which is under the account category. Just tap there, and you can see an option a little bit down here. There's an option for blocked accounts. Let's just tap on that option, and you can currently see I have nobody on my blocked list because I haven't blocked anybody yet. And to show you the results, let's do this, and let's block somebody. Let's block my another ID. Okay, I have blocked him. Now again, settings and privacy, and you can see the privacy over here and the block accounts. Okay, it's here. And if you want to unlock somebody on TikTok, it's the same process over here. You can see the unblock button over here. Just tap on there and you will unblock the person instantly. Okay, and there, guys, finding somebody on TikTok and unblocking them, it's this easy. And if you have any comments or question regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Peace.